of the largest national park in Northeast India. Yeah, please come. Let's see what this young madam she has to say. What is the answer?
Kaziranga National Park.
Kaziranga National Park? Wrong answer. Anyone? कहाँ इधर? Oh, please come here.
Dama National Park.
Correct answer.
Correct answer. Have you ever heard about that?
It is Namdapha National Park. Namdapha National Park.
Okay. What's your name and school you belong to?
My name is Ayush Chaudhary from the Wisdom Global School.
Congratulations to you. Yeah, I think everyone else left. So yeah, they are the shepherds.